So, good day everyone. Today, we will talk about how to make a Sierpinski triangle. So, let's start. So, we have here our code, and the first thing that we need is the input of the user. So, let's imagine that the user input a 3. So, let's start. So, magsisimula tayo dito sa upper body. Then, check natin if na-meet niya ba yung conditions. Row is equal to 1. At ang size natin is 3. And row dapat daw ay mas mababa or equal sa 3. 1 is less than or equal to 3. So, true. Since it is true, baba tayo dito sa next loop, which the inner loop, and space column is equal to row. Space column is less than size times 2. Size natin is 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then first is ang una natin is space column. Ang value niya is 1. So since it is 1 is less than 6. So dito tayo, since nag-true siya and may nakalagay doon na kundi siya, at pag nag-true ay magko-console write space and maglagay tayo dito ng space 1, 2. Then next is since hindi pa siya nagpo-false, ang ating inner loop ay i-increment tayo kasi may increment ang space column dito. So space column natin is equal to 2. Then 2 is less than 6. So true. Lalabas is 1, 2. Then 2. Then 3. 3 is less than 6. And 3. So true. 1, 2. Then we have increment. So space column now is 4. So 4 is less than 6. So 1, 2. Mag-output tayo ng dalawang space kasi na-meet niya yung condition. So next is increment ulit tayo kasi hindi pa naman nagpo-false. So 5 is less than 6. So it is true. Then mag-output tayo ng space 1, 2. Then number 6 is column number 6 ay mag-a-add pa rin tayo ng space column. Gi-increment tayo dahil hindi pa naman nagpo-false yung ating inner loop. So 6 is less than 6. So done sa part na yun, saka lang nag-false. Then if nag-false na ay lipat tayo sa sunod na inner loop. Star column is equal to 1. Star column is less than row. Row is equal to 1 times 2. So 2 star column. So star column 1 is less than 2. Since it is true, so we will pupunta tayo dito sa if conditions. At star column is equal to 1. Ang star column natin ay equals to 1. So since ang if condition natin ay naka-OR tayo, gumamit tayo ng OR, Basta may true na isa is true na lahat. So, mag-i-input tayo ng asterisk space. Then, next, dagdag tayo. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, since hindi pa naman siya nag-false, ay diretso tayo. Star column natin is increment tayo ng isa. 1, magiging 2. So, star column is less than row times column. Since nag-ano na siya, nag-false na siya, is balik lang natin. Then, punta na tayo sa sunod na code line. Ang next is itong console.writeLine. So, since nandito na tayo, nandito tayo sa line 7 is mag-console.writeLine tayo. So, bababa tayo ng row number 2. So, since nakaikot na tayo is balik tayo dito sa outer loop. Then, increment tayo kasi bumalik na tayo. So, dagdag natin tayo ng isa. So, row is equal to size is less than or equal to size. Ang size natin is 3. So, true. Since it is true, punta tayo sa next loop. Space column is equal to row. Ang row natin is ito na. Then, ang space column is less than size is 3 times 6. So, space column natin ay 2. So, it is true. Then, mag-input tayo ng output tayo ng double space 1, 2. Then, next is dun pa rin tayo sa inner column na ito. Kasi hindi pa naman siya nagpo-false. And saka tayo lilipat ng another loop pag nag-false na siya. So, increment tayo. Ang space column natin is magiging 3. Since 3 is less than 6, mag-output tayo ng double space 1, 2. Ay, sala. Dito. Sa line 2, 1, 2. Then, next is 3, 4. 4 is less than 6. So, 1, 2. So, 5 is less than 6. 1, 2. Then, next is 6 less than 6 is false. So, since it is false, lipat tayo dito sa next inner loop. Star column is equal to 1. Star column is less than row. Ang row natin is equal to 2. Since 2 na siya, star column is less than row. Row is 2. 2 times 2, 4. Then, ang star column natin is 1. E di, magpasok tayo sa if condition. And, star column is 1. So, input tayo ng asterisk space. Then, next is balik tayo din sa inner loop. Kasi hindi pa naman siya false. Then, mag-increment tayo. Star column. Star column is 2. And star column is less than 4. So, row 4. So, it is true and star column is equal to 1. So, false. Or row is equal to 1. So, false then. Row is equal to size. Row is equal to size. False then. Star column is equal to row times 2 minus 1 is false then. And since hindi siya since walang na-meet na conditions is ang mag-output is yung double space. So, double space. 1, 2. Then, next is i-increment ulit tayo. And 3. So, pasok tayo dito sa if else if block. Then, star column is equal to 1. So, false. Or row is equal to 1. False. Row is equal to size. Ang row natin is row ay 2. And ang size ay 3. So, false pa rin. Or star column. Ang star column natin ay 3. At row natin ay 2 times 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So, since nagka-true dito sa ating if conditions, then ang gamit natin is OR. O basta nagka-true is true na lahat. So, ang mag-output ay asterisk. Asterisk na sa number 7. 7. Ay, asterisk. Then, next is, since nakapag-output na tayo, ay mag-i-increment ulit tayo. So 4. So, since ang star column is equal to 4 at dapat ay less than sa row times 2 ay ang row 2 times 2 ay 4. So, false na dito. So, since nag-false na is next tayo ng code line. So, balik natin to sa 1. 1 ba? Yan, 1. So, balik tayo dito sa since wala na tayong command na sunod is ang sunod na ay console.writeLine. So, since dito na tayo ang cursor natin ay nandito, since console.writeLine is bababa tayo. So, dito tayo sa row number 3. So, since nasa row number 10 tayo, balik ulit tayo sa outer loop natin. Then, increment tayo ng row. Magiging 3 na to. So, row is equal to, row is less than or equal to size. Ang size natin is 3. So, true pa. Then, so, since nag-true, pasok tayo dito sa inner loop. Then, check natin if na-meet yung condition. So, space column is equal to row. Space column is less than size times 2. Ang size natin is 3. 3 times 2. So, 6. So, ang mangyayari is, so, since nag-true siya, sabi nakalagay dito, if nag-true ay 4, nag-true nga ay console write double space 1, 2. Then next is mag-i-increment tayo since hindi pa naman siya nagpo-false, ay increment natin yung space column since ang space column natin ay equals to 3, magiging 4. 4 is less than 6. So, 6. So, ano ulit tayo ng isa pa. 1, 2. Then, mag-i-increment ulit tayo. So, 4 na. Magiging 5. So, 5 is less than 6. So, it is true. So, we will output double space 1, 2. So, next is so we will increment pa rin kasi hindi pa naman nagpo-false. So, pag nag-increment tayo ay magiging 6 na. So, 6 is less than 6. So, hindi na siya. So, lipat tayo ng inner loop. Then, next is star column is equal to 1. And star column is less than row. Ang row natin is 3 times 2, 6. Then, so, 1 is less than 6. So, it is true. Then, papasok tayo sa if conditions. Star column is equal to 1. So, since star column is equal to 1, nag-true na agad siya. Since naka-OR tayo, basta may true is true na lahat. So, mag-i-input tayo ng asterisk. Then, next, sa row, sa column number 5, mag-ano tayo. Ang sunod. So, since hindi pa nagpo-false ang ating inner loop, ay mag-i-increment tayo ng star column. So, magiging 2. Then, since 8, ang ano natin is 2 less than 6 is equal to true. Then, pasok tayo sa if conditions. Star column is 1 or row is equal to 1. Ang row natin is 3. Or row is equal to size. Row natin is 3 at ang size natin is 3. So, ano siya? True siya. So, since nag-true ang isa, true na lahat. Then, mag-i-input tayo ng asterisk sa line, sa row 5. Column number 5 pala. So, asterisk. Then, next is ay, nasa na yan? i-increment pa rin tayo. Nasa na? Star column ay i-increment natin ang isa. magiging 3 na to. So, star column is less than 6. So, true. So, pasok tayo sa if condition. Star column is equal to 1 or row is equal to 1. Row is equal to size. Row natin ay 3. And ang size natin is 3. So, true ulit. Pasok tayo. Mag-input tayo ng asterisk. Then next is mag-i-increment ulit tayo. So, 4 is less than 6. So, since it is true, pasok tayo sa if condition. Star column is equal to 1. Row is equal to 1. So, false pa rin. Row is equal to size. Row at size ay true. So, input tayo ng asterisk. Then, next is mag-i-increment tayo ng star column. So, magiging 5 na to. So, 5 is less than 6. So, it is true. Then, pasok tayo sa if condition. Star column is equal to 1 or row is equal to 1. False pa rin. So, row is equal to size. So, since row is equal to size, para silang 3 is magiging true. So, mag-i-input tayo ng asterisk. Saan yun? Dito. Line ay sa column number 8. Asterisk. So, since nakapag-input na tayo, is balik tayo dito. Then, mag-increment ulit. Since hindi pa naman siya nagpo-false. Then, pagka increment is check natin if na ano pa rin niya yung conditions. And 6 is less than 6. So, false na siya. So, babalik na natin sa 1. And next is, since tapos na, and sunod ay console.writeLine is bababa na ang ating cursor. So, bababa na. Dito na siya. Then, next is babalik tayo dito sa ating outer loop. And mag-i-increment tayo. So, row magiging 4. Row is less than or equal to size. So, since 4 is mas mataas sa size, kasi ang size natin is 3 lang, ay magiging false na siya. So, next code line na tayo. Dito na tayo sa lower body. Then, balik natin ito sa 1. So, ang una nating sa upper body natin is ito. So, bawasan lang natin ng space kasi walang space pala dito sa console.write na yun. Asterisk lang pala yun. Asterisk lang tapos walang space. Then, balik natin. Yan. Balik natin ito. 4. So, dito ay ganyan yan. Then, next is for the lower body. First is our outer loop. Rho is equal to 1. Then, rho is less than or equal to size. Ang size natin is 3. Then, 1 less than or equal to 3. So, true. Since it's true, pumasok tayo sa inner loop dito. Then, check natin if nami-meet niya yung condition. So, space column is equal to row. So, space column is less than size. Size natin is 3. Then, row. Space column is 1. So, since 1 siya, since nag-true siya, and may nakalagay doon na console.write, so console.write tayo. 1, 2. Then, next is number. So, since hindi pa naman siya false, ay i-increment, babalik tayo at i-increment natin yan. Magiging 2. Since 2 na yung row, ay 2 is less than or equal to 3. So, since true, then pasok tayo sa inner loop. Ay, mali pala. Dito ito pala, sala. So, dagdag tayo ng, ito ay 1 pa rin. 1 muna. Basta dagdag tayo ng isa. Magiging 2 is less than 2. 2 is less than 3. Then, it is true. Then, sa column 2 is mag-ano tayo ng dalawa na space 1, 2. Then, next is 3. Since it is false sa condition natin, ay lipat tayo ng next loop, for loop. Ang star column is equal to 1 at star column is less than row times 2. Ang row natin is 1. So, dapat mas mababa siya sa 2. Ay, row is 1. So, ito nga. Star column 1 is less than 2. So, since true siya, papasok tayo sa if. Dito tayo sa. So, if condition, star column is equal to 1. So, since nag-true, at ang gamit natin ay or, magpiprint ng isang asterisk. Then, next is ay since hindi pa siya nagfo-false, ay mag-i-increment tayo. Star column is 2 less than 2. So, since ano na siya, tapos na is, sunod tayo dun sa next inner loop. Then, dito na. Space column is equal to row. Row. Space column is less than or equal to size. and size times 2. So, row. Space column is size 3 times 2, 6. Then, dito, mag-ano tayo. So, dagdagan din natin 7, 8, 10. Column number 4 na tayo. Number 5 na pala. Then, ang next ay, saan na? Since 1 is less than 6, then it is true since may nakalagay doon na console right, space. So, lalagay natin to 1, 2. Then, next is number. So, mag-increment tayo ng isa. Magiging 2. Then, 2 is less than or equal to 6. So, since 2 is less than or equal to 6, mag-output ulit. 1, 2. Then, next is 3. Mag-output ulit. 1, 2. Then, sa 4, mag-output ulit. 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2. Then, 6 is, kasama pa rin siya kasi is equal to 6. Then, 1, 2. Then, ang 6, ang 7 nga is hindi na siya kasali kasi mas mataas na yung magiging space column. Then, since natapos na doon, sunod ay star column is equal to 1. And star column is less than row times 2. Then, next is star column. Since it is true, star column is less than row. Ang row natin is 1. Then, times 2. So, 1 is less than 2. Then, next is, punta tayo sa if condition. Ang lalabas ay, yan tayo. So, star column is equal to 1 since nag-true ang isang condition sa if ay true na lang lahat. So, input tayo ng asterisk. Then, next. Wala. So, hindi pa naman tayo nag-false. So, increment tayo. So, since pag nag-increment tayo is magiging false na. So, next is console right line na. So, baba na tayo sa column number, sa row number 2. Then, next is, balik tayo dito sa ating outer loop ng lower body. Next, for intro, so since nakaikot na tayo ng isa, is mag-increment tayo ng isa dito sa row. Magiging 2 na to. So, since 2 na siya, row is less than or equal to size. 2 is less than or equal to 3. Since true, pasok tayo sa inner loop, which is space column is equal to row and space column is less than size. So, since ang row natin is 2, ang space column natin is 2 na din kasi equal silang dalawa. Then, is less than size daw, 3. So, it is true. Then, if it is true, we will output a 2 space. Then, next is mag-i-increment tayo. Pag nag-increment tayo, ang kakalabasan na ay magiging 3 less than 3 is magiging false na. So, lipat tayo ng for loop, ng ibang for loop. Yung kasunod na for loop. Star column is equal to 1. So, since ang row natin is 2, ang sagot ay magiging true. Since true, pasok tayo sa if condition. Star column is equal to 1. So, since may true sa ating if conditions, ay mag-output tayo ng asterisk. Then next is mag-i-increment tayo kasi hindi pa naman siya nagfo-fall. So, pag nag-increment tayo, ito, makikita na natin, doon na So, ito pala. Star column is equal to 1. So, pag nag-increment tayo is magiging 2 na siya. 2. 2. Then, ang row ay 2 at ang times 2. So, 2 is less than 4. So, it is true. Then, pasok tayo sa if conditions. And star column is equal to 1 or row is equal to 1 or row is equal to size. So, row ay size natin. So, hindi din. So, or star column natin ay 2 is equal to row times 2. Ang row natin ay 2 times 2. So, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then, since wala siyang namit na conditions, ang magta-type is yung console.write space 1, 2. Then, next is mag-increment ulit tayo na magiging 3 na to. So, since 3 na siya, 3 is less than 4. So, true pa rin. True pa. Then, if star column is equal to 1 or row is equal to 1 or row is equal to size, ang row natin. So, di pa rin. False pa rin yun. Or star column natin ay 3. So, at is equal to row daw. Row times 2. 2 times 2 minus 1 is equal to 3. So, since may nag-true sa ating conditions, is magiging true na lahat. So, mag-i-input tayo ng asterisk. Then, next is mag-increment tayo ng 4. So, 4. Since pag dinagdagan pa natin siya is magiging lampas na. So, hindi na siya, false na siya. So, balik na lang natin sa 1. So, lipat na tayo ng next inner loop. Dito na tayo. So, space column is equal to row. Space column is equal to row, and space column is less than or equal to size times 2 minus row. 6 minus row is 4. So, dapat mas mababa or equal to 4. Then, ang space column natin ay magsisimula sa 2. Since 2, so pasok pa, true. Then, since true siya, is magko-console that right to. So, next is i-increment tayo. So, space column is magiging 3. Then, 3 is less than 4. So, true pa. Then, if nag-true is space ulit. Then, next is the four is less than or equal to 4. Since it is true, then we will write again the double space or column number 7, 1, 2. Then next, so, pag nagdagdag pa tayo, nag-increment pa tayo is hindi na ay magiging false na siya. Since magiging false na siya, is pasok tayo dito sa isang inner loop na star column is equal to 1 and star column is less than row times 2. Ang row natin is 2. Di kailangan mas mababa siya sa 4 ang star column. Star column ay nagsisimula sa 1. So, star column is equal to 1 since true. And pumasok tayo sa if conditions ay magiging true din since or ang gamit natin isang true ay true na lahat. So, mag-i-input tayo ng asterisk. 1. Then, next is star column. Mag-i-increment tayo. Magiging 2 na to. 2. Since 2 na, star column is less than row times 2. Okay, 2 is less than 4. So pasok. Then, punta tayo sa if conditions. Star column is equal to 1. Row is equal to 1 or row is equal to size or star column is equal to row times 2 minus 1. Then, ang star column natin is 2. 2 times 2 minus 1. So, false. So, ang input natin ay dalawang space. 1, 2. Then, next is ang ating star column ay i-increment natin. So, magiging 2 na siya. So, since 2 na siya, ay pasok pa rin siya sa less than 4. So, dito na pala tayo sa star column is mag-increment tayo dito. Magiging 3 na to. Then, 3 is less than 4. So, pasok sa if condition. Star column is equal to 1. Row is equal to 1. Row is equal to size. Ang row natin is 2. Ang size natin is 3. Star column is equal to row. So, row is 2. And times 2. 2 times 2. 4. Minus 1 is 3. So, star column is 3. So, since na nag-true, ay true na din to. So, dito, asterisk. Since nag-true siya, then next is mag-i-increment tayo. Since star column is 4, hindi na siya magiging false na siya. Then, balik natin sa 1. So, since wala nang another command dito, ang sunod na lang ay console.writeLine. Bababa na tayo. Dito tayo sa row number 3. Balik tayo dito sa outer loop. So, mag-ano ulit tayo? Increment. Sa 2. Magiging 3. So, row is less than or equal to size. O, is equal to size. So, 3. O, tama. So, since it is true, pasok tayo sa inner loop. Int space column is equal to row. Space column is less than the size. So, since ang row ay equals to space column, ang row ay is equal to 3. So, magiging false to. So, lipat tayo ng sunod. Int star column is equal to 1. So, star column is less than row times 2. Star column 1 is less than row ay 3. 3 times 2, 6. So, since nag-true siya, pasok tayo sa if condition. Magiging star column natin is equal to 1. So, since equal to 1, pag nag-true, true na rin. Then, input tayo. Input tayo ng asterisk. Then, next is mag-i-increment tayo. Dito. Star column. Sana pala dito tayo. Dito tayo mag-i-increment. Magiging 2 na to. So, since ang star column is 2 less than, ang row natin is 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then, 2 is less than 6. So, since it is true, pasok tayo sa if condition. Star column is equal to 1 or row is equal to 1. Row is equal to size. So, since nag-true ang isa, true na din lahat. Then, mag-i-input tayo ng asterisk. Next is ano tayo ng mag-increment tayo ng star column. Since 3 is less than 6, ay true siya. Then, pasok tayo sa if condition. Star column is equal to 1 or row is equal to 1 or row is equal to size. Since row is equal to size is true, then we will output asterisk. Then next is mag-increment ulit tayo. Magiging 4 na to. 4. Pagkatapos ng ay less than pa siya sa 6. Since nag-true siya, pasok sa if condition, row is equal to size. So true, since may true na lahat. Then next, since nag-input na tayo is na ulit tayo, mag-increment. Magiging 5 na to. Yung less than 5 is less than 6. So, since it is true, magpapasok tayo sa if condition. So, since row is equal to size, then we will print an asterisk. Then next is mag-i-increment ulit tayo. So since pag nag-increment pa tayo is magiging 6 na yan. So 6 is not less than 6. So magiging false na siya. So since nag-false na, lilikdagan na natin yan. Lilipat na tayo sa panibagong inner loop. Then, dito na tayo sa space column. Space column is equal to row. Ang row natin is 3. 3 is less than or equal to size times 3 times 2, 6 minus row. 3 times 2, 6 minus 3, 3. So, since nag-true ang ating ay mag-print ng space. Since pag nag-increment pa tayo ay magiging false na siya. So, lilipat na ulit tayo. Then, dito na tayo sa star column. Star column is equal to 1. Then, star column is less than row times 2. Ang row natin is 3. So, 1 is less than 6. So, true. If star column is equal to 1, so, mag-print ng asterisk. So, next. Mag-i-increment na ulit tayo. Dito. Magiging 2 na to. Since 2 is less than 6, papasok siya sa if condition. So, star column is equal to 1 or row is equal to 1 or row is equal to size. So, since row is equal to size ay true, so magiging true na lahat. So, mag-output tayo ng asterisk. Ito, sunod. Yan. Then, next is, mag-increment ulit tayo. Magiging 3 na to. And 3 is less than 6. So, since nag-true, pasok sa if condition. Then, sa if condition, ang row is equal to size is true. So, true na lahat. So, magpiprint ang asterisk. Asterisk. So, increment ulit tayo. Magiging 4 na to. So, since naging 4 na siya, 4 is less than 6 pa rin. So, pasok sa if condition. Then, ang row is equal to size ay true. So, magpiprint ulit ng true, ng asterisk. Then, next is 5. 5 is less than 6. So, since nag-true, pasok sa if condition and row is equal to size ay true, then mag-asterisk tayo. Mag-output ng asterisk. Then, next is mag-increment ulit tayo. Then, 6. 6 is less than 6. So, false na siya. Since nag-false na siya, lipat na ng bagong code line. So, since wala nang command na iba, ang sunod ng command is console.writeLine. Ang gagawin na natin is ano na tayo ng panibagong line. So, nandito na tayo. Nandyan yung ating cursor. Kasi nag-console.writeLine na. Since natapos na yung isang ikot, so, mag-increment ulit tayo. So, magiging 4. Since 4 is not less than or equal to 3, so, magiging false na siya. Since nag-false na siya, hindi na magra-run yung sunod na code line yan. Kasi, nag-false na yung outer loop. Then, balik natin ito sa 1. Then, balik din natin ito sa 1. So, since tapos na yung ating code, so ganito ang lalabas dyan. So, upper body ay isang triangle at sa lower body is dalawang triangle. So, pag nagkasama yan is makakabuo pa yan ng isa pang triangle. So, try natin. Is 3. So, yan. Ganyan nakakalabasan. So, next, gusto ng malaki is 5. Yan, ganyan. Then, 10. Mas malaki. So, yun lang. And, thank you sa panonood.